Don't stop. Carry on.
Welcome back to another video. Oh, I'm so excited to be back. Wow, how long has it been since I dropped a tutorial here? Oh my god, welcome back to another video, my ladies. Welcome. It's so beautiful to have you here. I am UC Tonya. I'm a professional makeup artist based in the city of Abuja. Right, so we have this gorgeous pink lips, and trust me, YouTube is where I share the detailed process, everything that I encountered in this look. So let's go ahead. I went ahead to hydrate, moisturize, and prime, and that was the first time I'm using the Omari Code primer. I'm going to use it again before I come back to give my review. Then I'm going in with my all-time favorite foundation. At the moment, still from 2 years ago, the Zero Flaws foundation. Ever since I found this foundation, I've been hooked with it and I'm so happy. I went ahead to mix 2 shades. Yeah, the best at mixing. My mixing game is top notch. And I'm going ahead to tap in and blend. The weather is hot right now, so if you're doing your makeup under the hot weather, please make sure the AC is turned on, the fan is on you, and all of that, so it helps the product to just sit on the skin. So now I'm going ahead with the darker shade of foundation to contour, just, you know, something slightly. I don't want very harsh contour because she's light skin. So I'm going ahead now to highlight these areas of the skin. Please let me know what you'd like to see next here on this channel. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial coming up, so that one will be next. Yes, so I'm going ahead to tap and blend lightly. I miss doing tutorials. Oh my god, I miss doing tutorials. I love YouTube so much because it's what has helped me evolve as a makeup artist. Oh, now I'm going in with the Micellar powder palette to set the under eye. For under eye, do not go in with so much powder so you do not cake up the under eye and it crack. I almost encountered that right now. I was just going in with so much powder. Less is more. It will all come together at the end of the makeup look. At first, when you're doing it, it's going to look like it's crazy and ashy, but just keep at it. Less is more. I'm going in with a contour shade from my Micellar powder palette. This powder palette has been one of my babies because, oh my god, it just gets the job for me and gets it very well. I'm looking forward to exploring and trying other products. So if you're a brand looking to work with me, please send me a mail. My mail will be in the description bar, and let's get to work together. I'm using that same powder palette for her nose contour. Just going to slightly do that, blending it to the top part of the brow to just frame the face. She has amazing facial features and my job is to enhance it. Next, I'm going in with blush. This CBD blush, my first time trying it as well, and I love it. If you notice, I didn't do cream blush. I didn't do I just didn't do cream blush. So I'm just doing powder blush and all of that. Again, less is more. Less is more. So after that, I'm going to just go in and set with a loose powder. I'm using a translucent powder, a white powder, just to set, and go in with less powders too as well. If you want to learn how to do your own makeup personally, I have a DIY class. Yes, I use Spotless Beauty powder palette. So I have a detailed online class for personal makeup. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and send me a mail or connect with me on the WhatsApp contact in the description bar. So for the lips, I wanted something that would match the lips, but I just didn't like this one. So I had to go in with a brown kind of chocolate lips. So, but I just left this here for you people to see. Now what I'm doing is I'm dusting off the excess. If you want a detailed eyebrow and eyeshadow tutorial, exactly like this look, please let me know. So I've gone back ahead to apply blush, just reinforce all that. I sprayed down the face, applied lashes, did my bottom mascara, then I went ahead to take off that lip. So I just went for something chocolatey and brown, you know, something like her lip color. I think that was the perfect fit for this look, so that the eyes will get to pop and do all the shining and talking. I really love doing these tutorials, filming this look. This was my AI tracker just shaking. Sorry guys. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's go ahead and apply the glow. And please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.